Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the figure above, the area of square AFIE is 9 times the area of square HIGC. What percent of the square ABCD is shaded? Okay, here this ABCD is a square, and also AFIE, the shaded portion, is also a square. The another shaded portion, that is HIGC, this one is also a square. Okay, and also the question says the area of this square AFIE is 9 times the area of this square HIGC. Let me assume the area of this smallest shaded region, that is the area of the square HIGC, as 1. Then what is the area of this shaded region, that is a square AFIE? So it has to be 9 times of this area, that is 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, when the area of this square is 9, what is the length of each side of this square? Then it has to be 3. So because 3 times 3 is 9, that's the area. Then this length is 3, this length is 3. If the area of this square is just 1, what is the length of each side of this smaller square? So the length of each side has to be 1. So that 1 times 1 is, we get the area 1. So here we have 1 and here we have 1. And also the length of this BG is 3 and the length of this FB is 1. The length of DH over here is 3 and the length of D is 1. So what is the length of each side of the square ABCD over here? That is clearly 4, because 3 positive 1 4, or even on any side we can get the length as 4, 3 positive 1 as 4. Now let's get the area of the square ABCD. Let me write the stuff over here. Area of square ABCD equals to side times side, that is 4 times 4. Then we get 4 times 4 equals to 16 square units. So the area of the complete square ABCD over here is 16 square units. Now let's get the area of the shaded region. Let me write the stuff over here. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to... Now to get the area of the shaded region, we have to add this 9 and 1. So because 9 is the area of this shaded region and 1 is the area of this shaded region. So then we get 9 positive 1 equals to 10. Okay, according to the question, we have to get percentage for this number 10 in the total area 16. For that, we have to write the number 10 in numerator. That is, we have to write the number in numerator, for which we have to find the percentage. So we have to find percentage for this number 10 in 16. So we have to write this 16 in denominator and it has to be multiplied by 100. So to get a percentage for this number 10 in this total area 16. Okay, now let's do some simplification over here. For both 16 and 100, we have the greatest common divisor 4. Then 4 goes into 16 4 times and 4 goes into 100 25 times. Here 2 goes into 4 2 times and 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 25 is 125. In denominator we have 2 and percentage over here. When I divide 125 by 2, I am getting 62.5 percentage. So our aim is to find what percent of square ABCD is shaded. 62.5 percentage of the square ABCD is shaded, and we find this 62.5 percentage in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.